Today, we will talk about 23 coolest gadgets you can actually buy. 1. Innovative 5-in-1 power bank with AC plug. How many things do you have to actually take with you to be sure your smartphone will never run out of battery? A power adapter, cables, and, most probably, a power bank. What about having them all in one smart gadget? 2. Clever coffee mug warmer and wireless charger in one. What do you always have with you when you are getting ready to work by the desk? Your smartphone and the next cup of coffee. This little smart electronic accessory will do wonders. Your coffee will always be hot, and your smartphone will be fully charged. It's one of the coolest electronic gadgets you can find on Amazon. Offered by Mingxu on Amazon, this is a coffee warmer with a wireless charging pad, or a wireless charger with a coffee warmer spot. 3. Weatherproof Duo Smart Plug. Works with Alexa and Google Home. Smart plugs are a way to save energy, and they are best suited for wall outlets that are hard to reach. If you're out of house, you probably own garden equipment and lighting, pumps, electric grill, etc. You can control these appliances without leaving home every time you want to turn them on or off. An outdoor plug should be waterproof and withstand any weather conditions, such as a smart plug from one of the leading brands in the category, Genie. It's one of the most gifted smart home gadgets on Amazon. 4. Magnetic 20W USB-C iPhone wireless power bank with a stand. Do you own the latest iPhone and want to get a cable-free power bank? Take a look at 633 Mago magnetic battery from Anker, a renowned producer of power supply accessories. This compact battery pack is really clever. Two prominent benefits are combined: the wireless charging solution, no need to take cables with you, and a built-in kickstand that will let you use your iPhone hands-free. 5. 10. Tire pressure monitoring system. Let's say some unwary driver had a bunch of nails in the back of their truck, and all of a sudden they fall all over the road. It would be hard to know if you get your tire punctured, especially if it's one of those slow air leaks. The solution is the TtT&x. This device will monitor your tire pressures and alert you if one is underinflated. 6. Heated/cooled cup holder. Sure, you are familiar with heated and cooled seats, but what about heated and cooled cup holders? These are new luxury options in cars such as the BMW X5M, the Audi SQ5 Sportback, and the Cadillac Escalade. They would come in handy a lot as they would help you take your coffee in the morning, on your way to work, or more like a Frappuccino from Starbucks. 7. Levitating Plant Pot. A good levitating pot should be light, attractive, and uniquely designed, but it must also be spacious enough to hold a number of flowers. The Air Bonsai is a lightweight pot that will amplify your home's interior decor. When you look at the pot from different angles, its aesthetically pleasing novelty design shines out. 8. Razer Kishi Gaming Controller for Smartphone. Razer has some of the coolest tech accessories on the market, from laptops to smartphone accessories. Their products are very innovative. One of their hot-selling products is Kishi Mobile Game Controller. 9. Google Nest Hub New Gen. If you ask me, every home needs a smart assistant like Google Nest Hub. I have been using it for over 2 years now, and it is my favorite gadget at home. I use it to stream YouTube videos, listen to Spotify, hear news, and control my smart lights. 10. Arculus Hardware Wallet for Cryptocurrency. The market cap of cryptocurrencies has been unstoppable for the last few years. With so much money poured into this space, security has been a great concern, while some people hold their crypto themselves in their own wallets. Others prefer to keep it in exchanges like Binance. 11. MyOneo-Smart Wine Scanner. Are you tired of buying the same wine bottle with the same taste from the same winery? Most people lack the knowledge and experience in wine tasting and wine varieties. As a result, they fail to enjoy the sweetness and joy of wine. Nevertheless, it doesn't have to be this way. 12. Tough vintage-style Bluetooth speaker with flashlight. There are many portable Bluetooth speakers that are waterproof, but if you think about giving a gift to someone who loves camping, hiking, or extreme sports, don't buy them a speaker that's good for a shower. 13. personal loud safety alarm and strobe light for women. Many people invest in personal trackers that let you in real time locate your significant other or a family member. The only problem with the trackers is that they can't prevent a person from being attacked. 14. Hand Crank 5-in-1 4,000 mAh emergency power bank. Do you love camping, hiking, or extreme mountain sports? Do you own a recharging tool that you could use even when all your power supply devices are dead? There is a better idea than a high-capacity solar power bank. 15. Personal neck and waist fan with 6,000 mAh power bank. When it comes to weather conditions, it's all in your head. Sometimes you don't need air conditioning working in the entire home to withstand high temperatures. Cooling just your head may do the trick. Neck fans are a growing product category, but they can be used only around your neck. 16. USB-C hub with 6 ports. If your laptop is short on ports, this portable USB-C hub has got you covered. The compact device has 3 USB ports for sensing and file sharing, 1 HDMI port for 4K video output, and 2 SD card slots for data storing. The USB-C connector plugs right into your computer with no drivers required, so setup is a breeze. 17. Ring light that diffuses light for video calls. If you're often on video calls, a ring light can brighten your space and help diffuse light for a professional-looking image. This one clips directly onto your laptop, and thanks to its compact size, it'll minimally interfere with your view of the screen. It's USB rechargeable and features 3 settings: warm, white, and warm white. 18. Cooling pad with built-in fans. For extra cooling power, opt for a laptop cooling pad. The lightweight stand has 2 adjustable heights, a breathable mesh surface, and 3 built-in fans to keep your computer cool and running efficiently while you work or game. 19. Szelam LED electric alarm clock. Do your makeup, check the time, set an alarm, and charge your phone, all with this LED clock. This one deserves a spot on your nightstand. I took a chance on this one, and I'm actually glad that I did because it's perfect for what I need. Everything about the clock just works. 20. Cooluli Skincare Mini Fridge. Perfect for storing beauty products that need to keep cool or a tiny little snack you want to save for later. No judgment. This mini fridge is a game changer. This is one of the best treats I've ever bought for myself. If you are someone that loves skincare and has a ritual, it is just a delight to be able to place your products in here and have them be so cool and refreshing. 21. Apple AirPods with charging case. Yeah, I'll say it. Everyone needs a pair of AirPods. Once you slip these babies in your ears, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. 22. Rapid Egg Cooker. Make breakfast easy AF with this egg cooker. It fits up to 6 eggs too, so you can feed your roommate or fam some fresh eggs in the morning. 23. Cleaning gel for the keyboard. This universal gel cleaner makes it easy to keep your keys and the spaces between the keys dust-free. The goo-like gel molds easily into tight spots where it instantly attracts and lifts away dust, dirt, crumbs, and grime. It's reusable, safe to use on electronics, and can also clean car air vents, cameras, and other narrow, hard-to-reach spots. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.